I need a camcorder, and I need one quick.
What type are you interested in?
It doesn't matter. Just one of those.
Panasonic or the Fujitsu?
No, that one.
Oh, the Samsung.
Yeah, the Samsung. How do I get it to work?
First, you have to charge the
Batteries?
batteries.
Yeah, okay. How long will that take?
4 hours.
Do you have one that's ready to go right now?
Fujitsu or Fuji.
Which one do you recommend? The Fujitsu or the Fuji?
Oh my God.
You.